The first thing I think about in aging is the stones themselves. Everything is outdoors, so it's exposed to wind, to rain, to humidity, to snow, and this has taken a toll over time. This is a sandstone wall. It's one of the only sandstone features we have at the cemetery. When water penetrates into a stone's matrix and freezes, that water expands by approximately 10% and slowly but surely starts to degrade stone from the inside out. What further exacerbates this problem in a major city is pollution. Pollution in the air, both in the form of acid rain and through dry deposition. Even just dry chemicals hitting the stone and then sticking to them, especially of stones that contain carbonate materials, which is most of our stone, because most of our oldest stone is marble. Acid rain causes the loss of calcium material, and this happens in two ways. The direct loss of calcium in the water runoff, and then in a secondary way, which is in the creation of a gypsum crust. If you look up in the folds of the cloth of this statue, you can see some of the gypsum crust. When it gets combined with the atmospheric soot, it turns black or greenish or gray. In this case, black. I'm biased a bit because I work with the stones themselves, but I think it's important to talk about the materials that we have here and why the stones are marble or why the stones are granite. This is a granite wall. These are marble headstones, and that's a limestone wall. And then the two mausoleums in the background, on the left is a marble mausoleum, and on the right is a granite mausoleum. A material that people don't typically associate with cemeteries and headstones is concrete. Although it's not as common as marble and granite at Oakland, we do have numerous markers made out of concrete. So this marker in particular, as well as several others in the African American grounds, were made by local funeral homes as part of the burial package. So this one has actually been repaired. It's been repaired below the ground level, so it's a little bit hard to see. So Oakland over time has aged and changed in the way that people build monuments, in the way that those monuments look, and the usage of different materials over time.